Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour and Learn Google Photos. And I am looking at my Google Photos on the computer right now. I'm at photos.google.com and I have this cute little garden frog that I want to add some words to. You know that Google Photos on the computer, the web version, can't do that. So first I need to download him to my computer. So I'm getting it from the cloud down to my computer, and I've already done this. There it is. Now I opened the favorite tool I have for adding words. It's called Snagit. I put my words in and then save it. Just save it in that same place. Now, how do I get it back up to Google Photos? It's done. Now I need to get it back up. That's what upload is for. Upload from computer. And there it is. I select it and open it. And it is uploading to my Google Photos. I don't need to put it in an album. And there it is. So first I downloaded to the computer to use the computer tool that I needed, and then I uploaded it back to Google Photos.